Okay. Oh my god. I better not lose this round. Kimchi, why is he holding a teddy bear? Just saying. He has a gun. Oh my gosh, the chip. Oh, it's the Den Reaper. Oh. But okay. He's so beautiful. I'm joking, that he's fighting. Though he can get killed. Get killed. No. Your aim sucks. Your aim, like, actually sucks. You couldn't kill Caillou. Look at Caillou. Look at Caillou. Can you... Oh, he's coming closer. They're backing away because your breath stank. Kill Caillou. Kill him. Kill him. Okay. You're trying to kill Caillou. What are you doing? You're gonna die. Your aim's up. You still haven't killed Caillou yet. Hey, it's a bit. Oh wow, that. Ha ha, you lost. Ha. Loser. We sitting down like that. I tell you what, damn that area. Let's go. Keep up, I'm too fat. I'm not fit up on the gym and let him go. Okay? My gosh, my gosh. Why are you guys running towards me? Back away. Yeah, let's all sit down and drink our cocoa puffs. Why are you in the middle? Ooh, he don't want you. Let me sit down to what? Surely do that. He surely attempted murder. I am murderer. No, I'm not. Oh my gosh. Ooh, they're venting. They're venting. Ooh, they're venting. Ooh, they're venting. God, you just jumped on like that. Keep up, I'm too fat. I'm too fat. I'm running money. She's been smoking. No, don't just sit down like that. Nobody wants you here. We don't want you here. We don't. Oh my gosh. I hate icebreaker. Huh. Which one was that icebreaker? Is that icebreaker? I don't know. It's about the name or ice being something, I don't know, something. Icebreaker. I think it's icebreaker. I don't know. I'm stupid. Ooh, she killed the scream girl. Your aim sucks. She was right there and you couldn't kill her? Oh, it's me. Does she drop dead? Keep up, I'm too fat. I'm too fat. From my foot of on that terminal and then I'm gone. What the heck are you doing flips for? Die. Kill him. Doing flips, the heck are you doing? I'm on Papa Doper all day. I'm on top of Doper, but oh, it looks like someone threw a knife at her. Your aim sucks. Your aim sucks. Just kill them. Just go close. Just get close. They don't have a gun. What the heck are you doing? Oh my gosh. Your aim sucks. Your aim, like, actually sucks. Like, I'm not even joking anymore. Like, your aim sucks. Stupid. Why you should have killed him while he was doing flips. I mean, I can behind you. Yeah, okay, no, I can't. Too broke. Keep up to 5. Paddle then go. Okay, let's go. Excuse me, little child. I just ran her over. I just realized I'm not wearing any shoes. Come on, no. Good. Oh, I almost ran the little child over. Spying on you. Why won't it let me throw? Jump out the window, Spider-Man. 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 Don't like my fit. It's a Halloween fit. If you don't, I'll be under your bed tonight. Okay? Keep up, I'm too fat. I'm too fat. Why am I always innocent? My gosh. Keep up, I'm too fat. I'm too fat. Put my foot up on that pedal, then I'm gone. Gown, ha. Just want to hit a high note like Michael Jackson. The ain't no cover me and tell them new. Okay. My gosh, we're here with Luffy and this redheaded girl. Oh my gosh. What I just see? You just fall down like that. Just randomly fell down. Oh, he's 10-9. Wow. She's number 5. Oh my gosh, the child I almost ran over was, better. Okay. Oh, I don't know. You cannot fly. She really said unfortunate. Why the heck are they typing fly in the chat, sir? Y'all cannot. You can't fly. I'm sorry to say. Sorry to say. But you can't. Behave from me, tell them now. Everybody's aim here sucks. Like, literally. Like, sucks. And we're not talking about, like, sucky. Like, your aim literally sucks. Like, actually. I smell camper. She's camping without knowing it. Like, she's actually camping without knowing it. Like, get up. Like, get shut up. What are you doing? What are you doing? Well, that's so random. Just ow. Creative capacity, telling ya. I just collided with the wall for a second. Oh. Why did she throw the knife at the wall? What the heck are you throwing the knife at? Casper the ghost ain't do nothing. Like, calm the heck down. And now she's, well, we're going to the sheriff, cause this girl... What are you shooting? Y'all are so stupid. Like, Casper the ghost... Oh my gosh. What are you looking in the vent for? What the heck are you guys doing? Finna rage quit. The heck are you guys doing? The heck? Oh my gosh. No, just shoot me. We're looking the wrong way. Or am I looking the wrong way? To go to hiding peacefully. I thought I was looking the wrong way. Shoot, no, wow, she was right there, stupid. Oh my gosh. I'm about to swap one of these with me. Just shoot, just shade. Y'all are both stupid. What are you shaking your head for? Ugh. Okay. No. This pisses me off. Like, what the heck are you guys doing? That's tragic. I mean, what the heck are they doing? My gosh. Pedo online dating, I smell. You know, you're doing, oh wow. Sandy. Yay. I got a friend. Corso. Want to hit the high note. Oh well. Why am I innocent all of the time? Mother? Zehun? Somebody was here, I don't know. We breaking ankles at this one. The angels came on me a hill now. Oh my gosh, it's a beach owl. It's a beach owl. I'm quite like these cause, excuse me, I'm just gonna call it Hugies, cause, why not? Who's man? Oh wow, payback, haha. It's Andy-Vig. Excuse me. That's not professional and that's not ethical, okay? It's not very demure, it's not very mutual. Hey? Yeah. Hey.